Tough Steel Productions here. I am your host on this excellent adventure. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stream on YouTube for yourself? I figured out a way with my products that I chose to go with great reviews. I'm going to go over those products with you guys and show you that I could do this in less than $100. So if you ever thought about streaming or you want to become a streamer on YouTube, you could do it for under $100. You don't have to spend it on a lot of expensive equipment or anything like that. So I'm going to go over the products that I chose, and you yourself can be a YouTube streamer. That starts right now. So the first item I'm going to go over is actually a capture card here. So I know the Elgato's that I was looking into are roughly around $140 to $150. So you don't have to spend that. I actually spent $35 on this 4K. That's a 1080p capture card. So it's got a 4K pass-through, which is really nice. So it has the USB 3.0 that you see right there. So it has your HDMI in and then your HDMI out. On the back side, you have your USB, which is a 3.0 USB. I'm trying to give you guys a good shot there. It's kind of hard to see. But that would go into your computer, PC, laptop, whatever the case would be. You also have the audio out right here, and you have the mic in right there. So, and it will show you the connectivity that you have by a light right there, which is usually a green light. So, but I've used this already a couple times. So far, so good. But $35, you really can't beat it, and it's got great reviews. The next items that you see here is a PS4 controller. And then I had to go with the Elgato. This is a ChatLink Pro, so this will actually connect into the controller. I'll do a separate video right after these products. Of course, your PS4 controller is standard. It also goes with a PS5. You can also work on Nintendo Switch. Basically, anytime you need to connect a controller. So, but you would need this in order for your chat with your party to actually come through. So. This cost $20. I did get this from Amazon. I have yet to use it, so it's still in the box, but I'm going to show you guys how it actually connects. You can actually see the diagram right there, but I'm sure it's going to be worth it. I was referred to this product by Relics of Raptors Gaming, so he said this is what he uses for all of his capturing, and I will show you guys how to hook this up, okay? Next item is a USB. These are also canceling headphones with the mic that you see right there. Still brand new in a box. This is by Tadibo. There's their website, tadibo.com. These came straight out of China. So here's all the information on it, specifications that it really does. But it does have USB and also 3.5 millimeter connections. So it also has a controller, which I'll show you guys once I open up the package. It has a controller where you can actually mute your sound. You can also mute the microphone at the same time too. But I believe that's only for the USB connection point. So, but once we get all this stuff connected, I'll show you guys how it's going to go into the capture card. This is the audio mic that I've been using to talk to you guys on my live streams. So the brand name is TK Goo, which I've never heard of. It comes with the deflector piece right here, so of course your microphone is right behind it, but it's a really nice product. I believe I only paid like 20 some dollars for this thing, and of course it's got the stable. Of course your mic stand is not included with that, but it does come with everything that you see here. It is a USB microphone. So straight out of the headphone box that you see here, I just opened it. So it was really well packaged. And this was only $14, guys, on Amazon. So here's your instructions, which comes in every language you could think of. It also came with 3.5 female adapter going to 2 male ends there for audio. It also has a hub sound card that you see here. Let's take this out and see what it looks like. So everything was individually wrapped, but there's your 3.5 millimeter. You can also do the dual jacks, which is the adapter piece here if you need to. And then you got the USB there. But on the switch itself, You can see the mic in, and then also your headphone port there. But on the switch itself, you do have the volume up and down controls, which are your top two there. This looks like a mute button. You can also disable the headphones, which is on your bottom left, and disable your mic on the bottom right there. So that's pretty neat. And it also comes with its own little manual in here, so you can actually read about that too. It also came with, of course, your headphones. Really durable headphone set, so noise canceling. It's got a nice adjustable. I like that it's got the bar. You can actually adjust it up and down, so that's kind of nice. Of course, they're really comfortable as far as the wear. The feel is actually really nice. Seems to be well put together. It's supposed to have good bass to it as well. And of course, you got your mic there, which I also like the swivel on it. You can actually just move it up and down. So, but it also has where you can actually bend your mic. It's really flexible, which is really nice too. There is only just one cord, so it is not wireless. Let's follow this all the way to the end here. So this also has a volume control up and down, and it looks like I can turn the LEDs on, so it does light up. That's probably only going to be by USB only though. And then that is going to be your on and off for your mic. It's got a little mic that you could kind of see right there on the light. Follow this all the way in, so you got your USB connection here, and you got your 3.5 millimeter right there. So it's also got, this box came with all kinds of goodies. It does have an adapter, so you got a female and a male adapter USB, just for extra length, I'm guessing, so for connectivity. So really cool. So straight out of the box, this is the Elgato ChatLink Pro. So this was, again, $20. Of course, you got all the information on the back here. Very well packaged. So I took this out of the box, and we're going to see what this is for the first time here. Everything seems to be kind of stuffed in there. All right. Gotta keep that for instructions there. So on this cable, everything's all twisty tied together. So you do have the ChatLink Pro. So this is your isolator. It does have the on-off button right there. Of course, your 3.5 millimeter on one end, which is a male, and then you have a female 3.5 millimeter, and then you got another male. So I'm going to show you guys how this is going to connect into your controller when you're going to hook this up. That way, and again, this is for having your friends and stuff chat come through. So when you're doing a private party on the PlayStation itself, or even on the Nintendo Switch, this is so your friends chat will also come through too, and you can still chat with them. So all right, for this next step, so if you guys are actually streaming a game by yourself and you're not playing with any friends or whatever, and you're going to do everything with the capture card itself, I'm going to show you guys how your new headset that you just got is going to actually connect into that using the 3.5 millimeter, okay? So on the back side here, you're going to take the adapter that I've already showed you guys that came with your actual headset itself, and you'll see where it's marked on here. One of these is marked for microphone, which is the pink. And that's going to go in the mic in slot. And then this one, of course, is going to be for your headphones. And that's going to go in the audio out. So you want to just plug those in, make sure they're in there nice and firm. And then you're going to take your female end of your adapter and take your headphones, take off your plastic sleeve there. And you're going to just plug that right in like so. And of course, the USB you can use, if you're a PC gamer or whatever, that's what you would use the USB for. Or if you're going to go directly to your laptop or whatever too. So you could do that. And of course, you're going to get the lights light up on the side here. I think it's actually in the inside of your actual headphone set there. So that's how you would connect if you're just going to stream alone by yourself. And I'm going to show you basically how to hook up to the Elgato isolator if you want to have your party chat actually come through on your live stream. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to basically connect your new ChatLink Pro, which is your Elgato, to your capturing device if you are going to play with your friends online and basically have their chat come through with yours. So this will be for like multiplayer purposes, really. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the end that has right here. So you got the 3.5 and then it kind of splits, okay? And there's your female end right there. So this end right here before the split is actually going to go into your controller. So you're going to plug that into your controller. In my case, it's the PS4. And then your other end that has the female, let me set this aside here, has the female is going to go from your headphones. So these are my headphones. You got the USB, which you're not going to use. So you're going to use a 3.5. We're going to plug that in. Of course, you have the long extension on your headphones themselves, so you don't have to worry about that. It's going to seem like it's short, but it's really not. So then, on the other end, where your isolator is at for the ChatLink Pro, so basically you're going to follow that all the way over. And on the other end of your ChatLink Pro, this is the end that's going to go into your capturing device. And it's going to go in the mic input. Just want to make sure that's there. The last step you got to do is make sure that your isolator is actually turned on. So this will eliminate any type of noise, any buzzing sounds that you may get through your headphones. You want to make sure you toggle that switch to on and you're good to go. So there you have it, guys. I just showed you everything that you could possibly use to live stream yourself for under $100. I totaled up all the products that I actually purchased for $90. So $90 and you can have the exact same type of stuff that I have and be able to stream to YouTube. So of course you want to go by reviews. I'm big on reviews. I'm big on consumer reports, and I pay close attention to that because of the fact that the people that have purchased the product definitely know what they're talking about. So it's consumers like you that make the difference. I appreciate you guys tuning in so much, and hopefully this video was definitely helpful for you guys. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and show the support. Also, if you are not a subscriber to my channel, feel free to check out anything that I have on my channel. You may be surprised what you'll run into. You guys take care and stay tough.